Hi, thank you so much for joining me on another episode. My name is John Caleb. I'm doing tutorial about human resource related topics and also financial management tips. All this is to help you on how you can become more productive at your workplace and also help you to know on how you can manage your finance. Thank you so much for those who have subscribed to my channel, and if this is your first time, please subscribe to my channel and also turn on your notification so that anytime that I'm on YouTube you will be notified, and then you come, we learn together. Today I'm going to I'm going to do a tutorial about strategic financial planning, and this is a guide to help you plan for your future. Financial planning, strategic financial planning, this is the act of managing your finance with intention of succeeding, or with the intention to succeed. This means that you want to achieve your long-term goals and also your short-term goals. So in that, before you do that, you need to try to and at the same time you try to maximize your money, or you maximize your value for money. So that is the basic thing about strategic financial planning that I want us to talk about a little bit. So number one thing, before you define your financial strategy, you need to define your objective and see what you want or what your goals are. So if you define your objective, it will be very easy for you and have a clear understanding or a clear view of your asset. Then it will be very easy for you to start planning strategically for your finances or for your money, and this is going to be a great beneficial for you. I hope you stay until the end so that at least you can also learn. Number one thing that you need to do as you are making financial strategy planning, you need to manage your cash and your debt. This is the first thing that you need to do for you to achieve the financial stability. You need to know on how you can manage your cash, and you need to know on how you can put your debt into control. Because if you do this, this is going to help you to have the financial plan for your future, because you not find yourself in debt trap that you cannot take care of, and also you cannot find yourself that you don't have money to use, or you cannot have cash to use, because you manage your cash and also you manage your debt. So it is very important for you, as you are trying to plan for future, you need to manage your cash and also try to manage your finance. Number two things that you need to do as you are trying to strategically plan for your finance is you need to manage your risk by having an insurance in order. There are a lot of risks that we have every time and again. Your income, your asset, your investment, even your job, your health, even your life, all these things are risk. So how can you put this risk into order so that at least you can have a better plan for your finance? The first thing that you need to do is you need to have the insurance for all these kind of things. If it is your investment, try to maybe for example a business, try to have insurance for your business. If it is a car, try to have insurance for a car. If it is your health, because it's very important, you need to pay your health insurance and all that, so that at least when anything occurs, at least you are able to, you have planned for it and it can be taken care of. So it is very important for you to manage your risk by having the finances in order. Number three thing is you need to is education plan. As you are planning for your finances strategically, you need to plan for your education. Education pays, that is the ancient say, but increasing also your level of education should be part of your future plans, because by getting the right skills, this one is going to help you to increase your employability, and also it will help you to increase or to help you to come up, to propel up in your career ladder. So it is very important for you to plan for that. And also maybe, for example, if you have children, you need to try to plan for them on how they are going to be educated, on how their school fees is going to be paid in future, so that at least when you are doing that, it is going to help you, and it's going to you're planning strategically on how you can do it. So it is going to help you, because it will simplify the goals by structuring your finances, by putting your education as one part of your plan for future. Number four thing that you need to do is you need to plan for your retirement. This is something that most people like, oh, I'm still young, I'm still in my 30s, I'm still in my 20s, why should I start planning for my retirement? It is very important for you to start planning for your retirement. When making financial plans for your future, it is very crucial and it's very, very important for you to know on how you can plan for your future or for your retirement. Number one thing that you need to know, or some of the things that you need to consider before planning for your retirement, is you need to try to figure out your retirement need. What do you need? Do you need to continue with the lifestyle that you are living when you are working? So if that is what you want to sustain, that the living standard, you need to put more into your savings, so that at least when you retire, at least you have something that will sustain you even after retirement, and you will still maintain the lifestyle that you're living when you're still working. Number two thing that you need to do also, you need to decide when you wish to retire. As you're making for your retirement plan, so you need to know the period. I want to retire at 35, I want to retire at 40, I want to retire at 50. So this one is going to benefit you, is going to help you, because by knowing when you want or when you wish to retire, it will help you to save quickly or save more, so that at least when it reaches that age, when you hit your 40 or 45, you decide that I want to retire at 45. So before 45 or before 50, you know that at least you have something that is going to help you. When you retire, you will not lack something, or you will not live a miserable life. Another thing is you need to review your asset. Before you plan for your retirement, try to review your asset. What do you have? What are the things, your investment and all that? And then stay on top of your investment, because you cannot retire without something that you're going to be doing. So if you retire, try to stay top on the investment of what you're doing. So these are the things that can help you in planning for your retirement, as one of the strategic planning, financial planning that is going to help you on future. The last one, but not the least, is you need to invest. You need the investment plan and allocation of assets. As you are planning strategically for your finance, you need to try to plan for your investment. Financial planning is incomplete without investment plan. You need to have investment plan. This is what I'm going to do that is going to bring me money, or this is what I want to venture in that is going to give me income. So as you are planning that, you need to put you need to put something, you need to invest in something that is going to bring money for you. So before you do that, also before you try to invest or to plan your investment, or on which kind of thing, which kind of business or which kind of sector that you're going to venture in, there is some of the few questions that you need to ask yourself. Number one is that you need an investment that is going to help you to set the measurable and also measurable goals and realistic. Don't put a plan, or don't try to plan something that you know that you will not achieve. Don't plan for something that it will be a headache for you. It is going to be a problem for you to achieve. So as you are planning for your investment goals and everything, try to put it at least measurable things and also realistic. And also you need to try to know if this thing that you want to venture in will bring you back your money. You will see the money on the return on your investment. So before you start your investment plans, before you choose the sector that you want to venture in, try to see this one, if this business after 2 years or after 3 years, will it pick and then return me the money that I used in order to start it, or will it return the money of the investment money that I venture into it? So these are some of the few tips that can help you to strategically plan your finances, and this is a guide for your future. So if this is your first time to watch my videos, please, I urge you to subscribe to my channel, and also make sure you turn on the notification bell, so that anytime that I'm on YouTube, you will be notified, and then we learn together. Thank you, and see you in the next video.